Well, there's the van, all on his own. Got the GoPro. I'm Smithy, this is my Contiki. We're on lockdown in the UK, I haven't been out. Anywhere essential you're allowed to go. See a relative, somebody that needs caring for, the pharmacy or food. You're allowed out once a day to go for a walk and a bit of exercise. So we've been for a walk and a bit of exercise. And we don't live far from the canal, so let's go and have a walk down the canal. Hello, we're all on lockdown, so you're only allowed to walk. But we do live near this. And that's the canal. Train there. Oh, one train.
Oh, look how nice that looks like.
Beautiful sea.
Oh, did you see that one there? Look.
Grandson's taking Benji. Wife's got George. I like this view, me. Not a canal boat in sight and not a human being. They're daft, but they're not that daft. Come on, doggies. So what do you think of the lockdown so far? We're only allowed to have one walk and home again.
It's good.
Human beings are talking to each other again.
Yeah, a lot split up with actions.
Is that the sign of things to come, love?
I don't know. Do you? All these people that are not used to being with each other,
Well, yeah.
innit?
Well, because they're all usually at work.
Not me alone.
One human being. Another survivor.
Yeah. Oi.
Hello, George. I've got a question for you. 2 questions, right? What is that?
Horseshoe.
Horseshoe. Right, now how new is it?
Old.
I'm kidding. Let's go tracking. Yeah, good. Did you like that? Hey Sue, do you know what these metal braces are for?
Yeah, to keep bridge up.
Yeah, they have a rod going all the way through the other side of the bridge.
Not thick, you know.
Well, I just thought, I gave it away when I said, do you know what these braces are for?
Did I shock you, knowing what they're for?
No, it's because I said braces, you knew.
No, never. You said, you know what these metal things are for?
No, I didn't, I said
yeah.
braces.
No, you didn't.
I gave it away when I shouldn't have asked. I like that house on its own over there. Old footpath, look.
I'll look at for that.
Right, so question for you.
What?
That stone in the middle there,
Yeah.
what do you call that stone?
No.
It's the keystone.
Aye.
The keystone. That's the key to the whole bridge. Yeah. The keystone.
What are you doing? Pulling me this way. Oh, this one up.
Wonder if they're its chicks then. What a shame, I've no food I'm afraid. Hello. You come to see a friendly face? Hi? Yeah. Some nice properties, Sue. All secluded. Not as secluded as that one. So there you go, my van's been parked up for about 5 days, not been anywhere, can't go anywhere. We use the wife's car to go anywhere. The van, we just leave it because I don't want it causing a problem by people seeing the van anywhere. You know, think, oh, they're going on holiday. We're not going on holiday anywhere, we're just leaving it parked up and use the wife's car. I start the engine each day, back it up a little bit, move it forward, that's all it's getting until all this is finished. Warm the engine up and then let it go off and that's it. I wish I could show you more things going out. It's mad, isn't it, the weather. When you want to do things, we've got hurricanes and gales and storm this and storm that, and as soon as you're on lockdown the weather's fabulous. I just feel sorry for all the kids that are stuck in and they don't understand what's going on. Obviously it's down to the parents to make sure they're not going out and doing things, but there you have it. UK's lockdown. You're allowed out once a day for exercise or a walk to keep yourself sane. I don't mind, who cares? I'm old enough now, I know what's going on, I'm not stupid. You just got to stay safe. So on that note, stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you soon. And the good news is, if I go live again, which I've just watched Many Fun Adventures, Andy, great live, full of information, great channel, Many Fun Adventures. My broadband changes today from the post office, which is absolutely useless, to Shell, and it's a higher rate Shell, so I'm hoping it lives up to its promise. So if it does, we'll be going live again shortly. I'll try it out. Take care, see you soon.